Here's our new Paracord braided bow sling that we offer through our website. It's got a magnet mount for the side. Mount to the side of your bow there to keep it out of your way when you're not using it. Fully adjustable. I just got mine installed on my bow here. I'm going to start shooting with it on. Magnet mounts down here on the side of the bow. Clips to the side when you're not using it. Keeps everything nice and out of the way there. Paracord loops to the bow. Release buckle there and some adjustment to it. I usually haven't run one, but this year we're